What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anna Karen. Thank you for clicking on my video, and while we're on the topic, please subscribe. A little while ago I had done a clean with me for my room, so if you haven't seen that, go and watch that. I will leave the link down below if you want to go watch that before watching this video. But instead of cleaning my room this time, we are going to be cleaning my vanity. My vanity is right behind me, so you can kind of see it. It's messy. Like the last video, I mentioned that throughout the week I'm just always rushing. I'm always running late, that I just leave things out. I never put it back where I got them from. If you want to watch me, and I know people get curious because I get curious too, I like seeing other people's like vanity and stuff. I want to see what they have, what products they like and stuff, and incorporate in their like lives, I guess. So if you guys want to see me clean my vanity, make sure to keep on watching. Hey there, don't judge me, please. It's very messy, I know that. So yeah, let's get started, guys. was it. That concludes this video's time-lapse cleaning my vanity. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know if you noticed, but under like this bracket right here, it is very messy there, and I'm actually planning on doing something more of like organizing. I think I'm gonna build something for my makeup, that way I have more room, and that's actually gonna be a video as well, but I just haven't had the time to do it. But basically, that is the cleanest it's going to get. Unfortunately, for now, I have way too many things. I actually need to go through and clean and get rid of some products, and that's going to be another video too. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and maybe leave a comment if you're... I always stutter when I'm about to say that. I don't know why. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and a comment if you're feeling generous. I have new content coming to you guys every Sunday, so like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!